All right, folks, I'm standing with a very happy captain of Blue Jets, Loyiso Vala. Loyiso, are you happy with the team's performance?
Yeah, I'm very happy. Though somehow we lost in momentum while we were going for the second half. But the first half I was pretty happy.
And where do you think your team won it today?
Scrum-wise, ruck-wise, we were pretty good. Yeah, we went all out, actually.
Okay, and what does this mean for your team now in the log standings?
Well, since our goal is like going to the Super League C, it means a lot to our team. It means a lot. Though we wanted the full maximum points, but it's a game at the end of the day. They also wanted to win. We also wanted to win, so yeah. But we're happy.
Loyiso is also our eBox Advanced Nutrition Man of the Match. For his Man of the Match performance, Loyiso wins for himself a 5 kilogram solid mass. Well done, Loyiso. You're gonna put the solid mass to good use?
Yeah, I will. I definitely will. To prepare for next season. Next year, yes. I will definitely.
Being captain, you obviously led from the front with your Man of the Match performance.
Yeah, I'm happy. I'm very happy. As for the man of the match, it was a team effort. So this goes to my team. I would say thanks to them. Yeah.
Congratulations.
Thanks.